60 seconds with Femi correct pidgin yarnings. Now what they do this morning? We want to check out again what happened yesterday for inside UEFA Champions League. And they ask this big question: where Barcelona go wrong yesterday? What did they do what they're not supposed to do yesterday? Lose a match 4-0 and nobody expect them. Nobody expect them at all. Many people don't they ask. Now Ernesto Valverde not the Barcelona problem. I've been at the club. Then today wait for Lionel Messi to do everything for them. Yesterday no be Messi na come feed. Now Messi Aigbe. Now even they inside the match yesterday for Barcelona. For this Liverpool side, everything just go well for them yesterday. Everything set for them yesterday. Their coach Jurgen Klopp, he said no fit even believe him. When they asked him for the press conference, he said he been not tell the players about Dortmund and Real Madrid that Dortmund supposed to score 4-0, but they no be fit score that 4 goals. I want to know what you think about yesterday match. How you see the match? Liverpool versus Barcelona. Liverpool fans, they just they spread. Barcelona fans, make una no verse, make una go watch game of